This is a 50-gallon gas direct vent water heater. Brand name Bradford White. We're doing a quick inspection, visual only, for leaks and any other issues that it may have. It is working normally. However, they said there's some corrosion, so that's what we're looking for. I believe on this inlet, yep, galvanized pipe probably. We got gas line here with no T and more corrosion on the outlet. I'm gonna guess those are galvanized nipples, and whenever you use a galvanized nipple on a water heater, you will get corrosion. Okay, again, bad corrosion that you can see leaking down into the drain pan. This corrosion could get inside the water heater and destroy it as well. We don't want that. So we're gonna write them up for a repipe and see if we can save it. 90% looks good, except for that gas. We need to also get a T on that gas valve.